The Selimiye Mosque, located in Edirne, Turkey, is one of the greatest achievements of Islamic architecture and a crowning masterpiece of the Ottoman Empire. Commissioned by Sultan Selim II and designed by the legendary architect Mimar Sinan, the mosque was completed in 1575, during the height of Ottoman cultural and political power. Mimar Sinan, who was in his 80s at the time, considered the Selimiye Mosque to be the most important work of his life. He famously referred to it as his masterpiece, ustalık, eserim, surpassing even the famed Süleymaniye Mosque in Istanbul. His goal was to create a structure that would stand as the ultimate expression of Islamic architectural ideas, grand, harmonious, and spiritually uplifting. One of the most striking features of the Selimiye Mosque is its massive central dome, which measures 31.28 meters in diameter and reaches a height of 43.25 meters. Unlike previous Ottoman mosques, Sinan designed this dome to be supported by 8 slender piers, creating a vast and uninterrupted interior space. This engineering marvel allowed for a greater sense of unity and openness, enhancing the spiritual experience of worshippers. The structural innovation of using a square base to support a circular dome was a revolutionary solution to one of architecture's oldest challenges. The mosque's exterior is equally impressive. 4 elegant minarets, each standing at 70.9 meters tall and featuring 3 balconies, sharef, surround the central dome and can be seen from many points in Edirne. These minarets are among the tallest in the Islamic world and were designed with spiral staircases that ingeniously allow people to ascend and descend simultaneously without crossing paths. Inside, the Selimiye Mosque is adorned with masterful examples of Ottoman decorative arts. The exquisite Islamic tiles, characterized by vivid cobalt blues and deep reds, decorate the Qibla wall and mihrab area. These tiles represent the peak of Ottoman ceramic art. The mosque also features finely executed Arabic calligraphy, geometric patterns, and floral motifs that create a visual harmony reflecting the divine order of the universe. The mihrab, prayer niche, is particularly notable for its craftsmanship and placement. It is situated to catch natural light from the windows, symbolizing enlightenment and divine guidance. The minbar, pulpit, is carved from marble with intricate detail and used during Friday prayers and important sermons. The acoustics of the mosque are remarkably advanced for their time. Sinan designed the dome to distribute sound evenly, so that the imam's voice could be heard clearly throughout the vast hall. Beyond its main prayer hall, the Selimiye Mosque complex, Huliye, originally included a madrasa, Islamic theological school, an arasta, covered bazaar, clock room, a library, a courtyard with ablution fountains, various service buildings. This reflects the Ottoman philosophy of combining spiritual, educational, and social functions within a single urban center. Selimiye also holds symbolic importance. It was built in Edirne, the former Ottoman capital before Istanbul, which shows a deliberate choice to highlight Edirne's historical and strategic importance. By building such a monumental mosque there, Sultan Selim II and Mimar Sinan sent a message of imperial power and cultural sophistication that extended beyond the capital city. In recognition of its historical and cultural significance, the Selimiye Mosque and its associated complex were inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List in 2011. It was praised not only for its architectural innovation and artistic excellence, but also for its influence on the development of mosque design throughout the Islamic world. Today, more than 4 centuries after its completion, the Selimiye Mosque continues to inspire awe. It stands as a powerful reminder of what human creativity and devotion can achieve, bridging the realms of the earthly and the divine through stone, light, and form. architects, historians, and visitors alike, Selimiye remains a living legacy, proof that architecture can be both an expression of faith and a triumph of human intellect. Thanks for exploring history with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more untold stories from the past. Until next time, keep the past alive.